Here I will be showing you how to terminate a fiber cable with one of our SC connectors with our fiber termination tools. On the cover of the CS-FBRSCT and the CS-FBRLCT is a diagram to show you the different lengths that need to be stripped off the fiber cable. Using our marker, we will mark where we have to strip off the outer jacket first. Using our fiber strippers at the first stage, we will clip and then remove the outer jacket. Pull the Kevlar fibers away from the inner shielding. Now, using the measurement again and our marker, we will mark where we have to strip off the inner shielding. Going back to our fiber strippers, using the second stage, we will pull off in pieces, not the full length, until we get to our mark. Using the third stage of the fiber strippers, we will remove the protective cladding over the fiber. It's recommended to use the third stage twice, and then using your fingertips, just gently wipe it off to remove any leftover cladding. Now, using the fiber cleaving guide, line the inner shielding to the measurements on the termination cover. Place the guide into the cleaving tool, close the lid, and push back the lever, making sure that any leftover fibers fall into the disposal bin. If you were doing an LC termination, you would use the LC to SC converter with the VFL to verify a good connection. Take your SC termination and plug it into the VFL tool. Turn on the VFL tool, remove the cap from the SC termination, and slide over the fiber. Align the lengths on the lid, pinch the outer jacket to ensure that everything stays in place, and carefully slide the fiber into the termination. Watch the light in the window as it dims, lock the slide into place, pull the Kevlar strands out of the way, and screw the cap down halfway. Cut the strands with the Kevlar scissors and finish screwing the cap down all the way. Put the cover onto the SC connector and you are finished. For any more information, visit us at www.metrahometheater.com.